In this video, I'll show you how I literally turned 0 rands to over 15,000 rands in under 7 days on Shopify. Before we begin, I want to welcome you to my channel. My name is LVO Lizani and I do e-commerce and affiliate marketing in South Africa. I know there's lots and lots of people searching for ways to make money online in South Africa, and if that sounds like you, subscribe to this channel now to make sure you never miss out on any of my future videos. Now check this out. I know that many people are not aware that you can actually make money online in South Africa without even spending a single cent. And before I actually show you how I made over 15,000 rands in just under 7 days, I want to go over a few things with you. Firstly, there is no such thing as free money or easy money. Well, the second part of the statement is relative, but still, you will have to pay the price in some way. You have to allocate some time into your side hustle. You will have to work hard or else things will not work out at all for you. I'm not saying any of this to discourage you, I'm simply being real with you. Secondly, I'm not promising you that you will be making 15,000 rands per week consistently and without doing any work at all. If that's what you're looking for, this might not be the best video for you. However, if you are willing to work hard to achieve your goals, keep on watching. And I hope that you'll be motivated to start your own Shopify store. And if that sounds like you so far, make sure that you hit that like button. And if you still haven't done so, subscribe to this channel now. So how did I do it? How did I make over 15,000 rands in just a couple of days? The answer is drop shipping. Yes, the cost of starting a drop shipping business in South Africa is 0 rands if you know the right channels. I'll tell you more. So here's the deal. I'm going to try to not make this video long. So the first thing you need with dropshipping is a good product to sell. This is where you will spend most of your time in product research. So I took some time researching my niche on Facebook, Google and AliExpress. All of these tools are free and very powerful. For those of you who don't know, AliExpress is actually the biggest marketplace for dropshipping. And by the way, if you want me to go into detail about how I use Facebook, Google and AliExpress for product research, I have a video coming up on that. After I found what product I wanted to sell, I created a free Shopify store. You can also create a trial account on Shopify for free. I have a link in the description for that. I then used Obelo to import products from AliExpress to my Shopify store. Obelo is a free tool that makes it easy to import products from AliExpress to your Shopify store. After all of that has been done, after I had all of my products all imported to my Shopify store, I then marketed my store. Believe it or not, I used only free organic search traffic to my store to get my first sale. What this means is that people found my products on the first page of Google every time they were searching for the product. I also increased the traffic to the store by creating a blog for the store. Luckily, Shopify allows you to create a blog for your store, and what's good about this is that you can easily use keyword research to actually write your blogs and link your products within your blog articles. Now, like I said, I'm not in a hurry to make this video super long, but if you'd like me to show you my step-by-step method on how I create a profitable Shopify store, please type step by step in the comment section. That way I'll know how many of you are actually interested in the details from product research to product fulfillment. After the first day of getting the store ready, I had only about 3 or 4 sales, but that's actually very good results for a new store. I knew that there's almost no way I will be able to maximize my profits on organic traffic only. So with the profit I made on the first day, I paid an Instagram influencer for advertising. Now my store targets America and Canada, and it can be quite expensive to advertise if you are targeting influencers with very big Instagram pages. So I targeted influencers with 50, 60 and 70,000 followers. This turned out to be the best decision I made because this is where my store took off. I hired 2 influencers and paid $180 for both of them for 24 hours, and within 4 days I had made over 1,000 US dollars. That's actually over 17,000 rands, and I'm still getting sales. Matter of fact, I will make an update for this video at the end of the month and update you guys on how many sales I have and how much I've actually made. For me, this goes to prove that you can actually make money online no matter where you are, and you don't need to be an influencer or have a large following. You can start with almost no money. Now, I will admit that it will actually be difficult to market your store with no money at all, unless you actually know what you're doing. But if you are interested in starting a dropshipping store, I'd say you should invest a bit of money as a startup capital. Again, I don't know if there's anyone who is interested in this kind of content in South Africa, but if you have made it this far, it means you are interested. Firstly, thank you for watching, and secondly, if you have any questions, do not hesitate to drop them in the comment section below or email me at info@sixpenny.co.za. Now, I know I'm leaving you with many questions, but that's exactly my aim. I want to know what you want to know about dropshipping, and I will teach you here for free. Until next time, adios.